Good morning. This is a session on palmistry, and I'll be doing in this video about the marriage line, the love line, and the good signs of a compatible marriage and a good marriage. We'll try to look at the indications of that, and I'm doing this video again because some people could not follow, so I thought I would make a small diagram and try to explain it from there. Right, so I'll be explaining through this and I'll be discussing about the marriage indications, marriage line, the timing of the marriage line, and how to look for, marriage indications and the indications of marriage, the love marriage, and everything in this video. Right, now first we know that this is known as the Mercury finger, the small finger, right? The small finger is known as the Mercury finger, and this line which goes straight and goes up, right, or sometimes it goes straight, is known as the heart line, right, is known as the heart line. Now between the heart line and the third phalange of the Mercury finger, right, we get horizontal lines when are present, and these are known as the marriage lines, or also known as the affection lines, also known as the union lines. Right, we can have more than one line here, right, we can have many lines here. Okay, and these always do not suggest the marriage. Okay, they tell about the relationship, right? They indicate towards relationships, and strong and good and long line. Okay, whichever line is longer, darker, right, and more dark, will go into a marriage, or they has higher chances of going into marriage. Right, now between the Mercury, right, and the heart line, okay, this space, if you divide it into two parts, right, you divide it into two parts. The below part is from the level 0 to 25, and the above level is greater than 25 years, right? So if your line is coming exactly in middle, then you would have a relationship at the age of 25, and if it shifts up, right, so greater than 25, and if it shifts down, it is lesser than 25, right? So we can trace the dating of the relationship, right, with the help of these timings, right? So middle is taken as 25, above greater than 25, below less than 25, right? So I hope this was clear. Now so the horizontal line is known as the love line or the marriage line. Now when you see two lines joining into one marriage line, right, two lines are joining into one, then that shows a good marriage. In the sense, it's a very compatible omen. It can mean that there was separation between the two people, and in that separation a lot of love was induced and things like that. People were separated for a long time, and finally it led into a marriage, right? So it shows separation for some time, but ultimately leading into a marriage. It can show long distance relationships. It can also indicate if people are geographically in different regions, but it's a very strong bond because both of the powers are being used to make the relationship successful, right? So if you see two lines joining into one straight line, then that can indicate a good marriage, a compatible and a healthy marriage, right? Now the age, again, we know if it is above, somewhere near the small finger, then it is later, greater than 25, 30, 35ish, and if it is much below, then it would be 20ish, right? So we understood one way of timing it, right? Now if you understood about this part, right, now we'll go further into seeing if the marriage, or if it's going to be a love marriage, and we will try to see the symbols or the associated marks. Now this is known as the finger of Jupiter, right? And if you see a cross on the mount of Jupiter, this forefinger, and if you see a cross here, then that a proper cross, right, a big and a proper cross, will indicate towards a love marriage, and more of idealistic nature because it's on the mount of Jupiter, right? But it does indicates towards a good and a healthy marriage. Now when you'll see this cross, you'll see many other indications also, generally I've observed, right? In that case, even you'll see the heart line splitting into two parts, right? The heart line splitting into two parts, and also you'll see uh, you'll also see now this line which starts from the center, right, and goes up. You can see this is known as the fate line, right? You'll see another line coming in from the moon, also known as the influence line, will go and join, right? Will go and join the fate line. Now from there also we can trace the timing. Now again, I'll go slowly here. If you find a cross and a split of the heart line and also an influence line going in and joining, remember, joining the fate line, then there is a very high chance of it being a love and a good marriage. And whenever it joins, wherever point it joins, from there we can relate to the timing of the marriage, right? Now this is known as the angle of dexterity. You can see a small bulge in your hand below the thumb, and that's known as the angle of dexterity. Now if you draw a horizontal line, right, horizontal line, it cuts the fate line at the age of 25. Now if your influence line is joining before that, then the marriage would be early 23, 22. And if it goes and joins later, right, if it joins later, then obviously the marriage would be later, after 25. So if it joins on the top of the fate line, right, if this influence line comes and joins the fate line somewhere around the headline, right, you have a strong like this, an influence line going like this and joining the fate line near the headline, then the marriage would be more late, that is to say at around 29 to 30, right? And in that case you will also observe the marriage line, or you should look at the relationship line which is above the age of 25, and that would be indicating towards the marriage, because here it's the timing is how much, 30, when it's touching the headline around there, and here also it will be it will be shown at that time only. So you understood that point also, right? How to check the influence line timing. Now if the influence line cuts across, right, if it cuts across the fate line, then it's not a good point. The influence will come and it will leave the person, so it's not a good sign. And in case the influence line comes and runs parallel to the fate line, right, it comes like this and then it runs parallel. Now again, this will only mean that the marriage will not take place, but both the person will be very close and wanting the marriage to take place, and there is high chances that marriage might not take place, though it can, but less chances according to palmistry, right? So that is the love indicator, or the indicator of a good marriage or a love marriage. In case of love marriage, you see an influence line coming, joining from the angle of dexterity. If it cuts the fate line at 25, before that if it joins, then earlier than 25 the marriage, and after it joins then later the marriage. In that case you will see this line to be shifted above 25, and that line should be read as the marriage line. Now we'll go to the third indicator, and that is the influence line. Now this long line, right, this one is known as the lifeline, long curvy one, okay, and this is known as the lifeline. Its timing is 0 here and it goes till 80 here, right? Now inside the lifeline, these are known as the influence line. Now what do we mean by influence? Influence can be anyone who affects your life, right? It can be your father, mother, again a marriage partner too. Now if you have to distinguish whether it is father, mother or a marriage partner, you will see another horizontal line going up, right? In case of the marriage partner, right, if in case you're looking into the marriage partner's influence, and if the marriage partner is good, then the marriage partner will have an influence on you, and you will see the line, a line going and joining the headline or the heart line, right, these lines, right? Now these are also known as the marriage lines, and it will show, and in that case this line will become your partner's line, right, or your influence line. Any defects or any changes on these line can be attributed to your partner or spouse, right? Now we understood that this, this is this line going, now it hits this point, right? Suppose, and the timing of this influence line also will be 0 to 80 again, right, like that. So if it comes out earlier, or these lines comes out earlier part, then the marriage would be early, and it hits the later part of heart line, or it hits the heart line somewhere here, then it is early marriage. And if it shifts here, then the marriage would be after or later than 25. So if it starts earlier around this part, then 25, around this part, then 30, and like that. Now again, on this horizontal line and on this influence line there should not be any defects. Now if on this line there is any cross or any grilling or squaring or circling or islands, it's not a good marriage. But if it's a straight and a clear cut line, then it's a good marriage. Right. Now in case all the signs are present, in the sense you see an influence line coming and joining at the age, and you calculated the age at around 23, here also at 23 from the influence line another line comes out, and you saw a cross on Jupiter, you saw a line splitting. Apart from that, you saw this line also below the age of 25. You can confirm that the marriage would be at the age of 23 or 24. And then in the later case, suppose the influence line joins later to the fate line, again from the influence line it comes out later, the line shifts upwards, the cross, and this again it's an indicator of love marriage. Right. So you understood about the love marriage indications and also the timing of the lines in this video. Now in case you have a star on Venus, right, a star on Venus can mean again a good marriage, and it will be more of a physical marriage, in the sense it is compatible for all physical marriage, right? It's for all those needs, right? Because Venus is associated with physical love, right? And if you're looking for a good and a happy marriage, we should look for a cross, a split on the heart line. We should also look on the two lines joining into one marriage line, and also a line coming in known as the influence line, and things like that, and also this influence line, right? So we understood about how to check for marriage compatibility in this video, right? Any defects, or if none of these indications are present, the person should not go into a marriage at that age, because at times it is found that there is no these relationships line, this influence line, and all these lines are not present at all. Then the person is, it's too early for the person to go into a marriage, and when these lines comes out, then the person should go into the marriage. Apart from that, the presence of this influence line especially means that the person is ready for a marriage and mentally ready for a marriage line. He is more responsible, and it's a good sign to see, right, these kind of signs. And this influence line can tell about the spouse. If a line comes out and joins the heart line, showing indicating towards marriage. If only a line is present, straight and curvy line, in that case it can be the influence of a parent. In case this influence line is present, right, it also means that the person will have extra energy. It also means that the person will be saved, or he karmically he'll be doing well. It also means that the person will be saved from many accidents and things like that, right? So hopefully you understood a lot about the love marriage, and now you can also check about the love marriage and things like that, indicators of good marriage. Now this influence line going into is also an indicator of love marriage, and this from this influence line going out is also an indicator of love marriage. Splitting of heart line and the cross and two lines joining into one line, is they are all indications of love marriage, right? Any defect seen on this influence line, or the marriage line, or the splitting of the heart line, any defects will mean a bad marriage or some problems in the marriage, right? So hopefully you understood in detail about the love marriage lines in detail, right? And all other points, how to calculate the age from the angle of dexterity from the influence line 0 to 80, you can check out. Then also from here you can find out, right? So hopefully you again, any dots, any circles, any grillings, any horizontal blocks. Now you see a horizontal block here, it's again not a good sign, right? You see any horizontal blocks here, again not a good sign, right? Horizontal blocks here are not considered, or shading of this line, or all this is not considered good. All these lines should be fine, thin, dark, and bold, right? In that case the marriage should be even better, right? Hopefully you understood a lot. Thank you. I'm Shwetang into palmistry and numerology. Do check my channel for more. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.